Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, today we are talking about Letoya Makene. Letoya Makene, Letoya, well, no, one thing about Letoya, she is a lover girl. She is such a lover girl. It's just that man, she's not lucky when it comes to love, and I'm not saying that she's innocent in all of this, but she is always chasing love only to find out no, it's not like that. Isana uyabamba nje ugirl. So I'm just scrolling on TikTok and I saw this video where the baby daddy is saying this was before they had a child, saying that he is going to marry whoever will give him a baby. And I'm asking myself, is this the real reason that made Uletuya Makene to be pregnant?
Fighting so much. Baba became more than just a spiritual guide. As I saw my life changing direction, I started rediscovering Toya, and the fact that he was by my side, helping me rediscover and find Toya, just made me see him through different eyes, and I got hooked. How many years? Oh, so you like me. Okay, I'm gonna. Why am I going to come on with you? Yes, we are Yamala. Unyamala. Kahle kahle ngakutshela vele ke masisize eqinisweni. Manje ngiyona insizwa eyomuntu. Yeah. Ngathi ubuye futhi nawe angibona awubuzi yilo umuntu nokuthi into eqondile. Ngathi futhi wena ozongenzela ingane loyo wena ke I think ngizomshada ke. I love love. I love being committed. I love settling down. I do see myself getting married again, and I wanted to be Vusama Zulu's dad. Mina ngizingami. Yeah. Ngiyamthanda sana. Ngifuna sizinyanga leziyana ezilaphaya yabona. Yeah, mina ngazi ukuthi iziphi zisemkhathini zikhuphuke zimele kwanje ayikhulu what my queen of Egypt. See? So I'm the king of Lagos, yabona. Yeah. So these calculations maybe zenze a most powerful empire. Empire. When you put the empire, look at why. I love you. You know that I really, really love you. And sometimes I wish you were the first person that I married in my life. Maybe I'd just still be married.
It really doesn't make sense, Hashem. Like it really, even if you want marriage like that, but girl, like pregnancy is a permanent thing. Having a child is permanent for someone who promised to marry you. And then, like, I don't know, Guti, I'm really so confused, Sana. Do you want marriage that bad? Like, do you want to get married like that? And I feel like this guy was just saying these things for the cameras in J because he didn't live up to the promise, Mas. They didn't get married, and now he is on a tour to expose Uletwa Makene, Guningi Sana, and she's so gorgeous. Like, for this guy, oh, hey, she's so gorgeous, Shem. But yeah, I'm not saying the guy is not handsome. Now he is handsome for his own people. But nje, Uletoya, she really gambled with her life here because a child is permanent. Now she is stuck with this person for life. And she is there calling him Baba. Oh, Baba this, oh, Baba that. Shem, Sana. I really don't understand, Guti. How can you fall pregnant because someone promised you marriage? And this guy doesn't even have money. Like, he doesn't have money. So, what would, like, why would you think Guti is going to marry you? And Asham, guys, Uletoya nje, she needs serious prayers because, no, no, yes, if maybe they were doing this for the camera, I would say, if they didn't have a child, ne? I would say they were doing this for the camera, but for the fact that she just got pregnant, well, and they had a real baby, it shows that it was serious, Sana. It was really serious. I wonder what went wrong. I really wonder, you know. And at the end of the day, guys, inhliziyo ayiphakelwa. If Letoya Makene felt like She wants this guy, then the choice was hers, you know. I just feel sorry for the poor baby being dragged between parents like this. It's really not nice, Sana. Anyway, guys, please let me know in the comment section what do you think of this video. I will see you on my next one.